Hello everyone, good morning. I am Raghu, mining engineer working in our mining industry for the past 9 years. Last week I attended the mine planning, which is the foundation course, which was organized by Mining 360. About this course, before joining this course, I was feeling the big gap between myself and then the mine planning, which nowadays the usage of the technology which we are using for mine planning. Actually, after joining this course, I would definitely say the gap between myself and then mine planning has been reduced because the way the course has been designed is very fantastic, and then it's very skillful. If you say the course includes the application of AutoCAD, the basic what we can do, and then Google Earth applications, and then QGIS, which how we can use for the day-to-day mine planning, and then explaining everything. I would recommend this course to all those who are eagerly get into the mine planning. This can be a foundation course. After that, we need to work very hard to get into the full knowledge. This will be the basic first step, I can say. I would really personally thank to Deepak sir, the way he has designed the course, and then from starting to end, how he has taken care of the team, everything. I would thank again for this course. I have completed successfully this fantastic course. Thank you. The Mining 360 is doing the fantastic job nowadays.
Hi, this is Sakiran. I'm a mining engineer. I have more than 6 years experience there in this mining field. Presently, I'm working as a shift in charge in Nigeria. Before I'm joining mine planning course, I have so much frustration on that, how I will learn, for whom do I want to approach, and where I will get course. Then luckily I got in LinkedIn, Mining 360 services, and I approached to Deepak Gauru sir. That approach way is totally different. After that, they selected some few people. I'm also applied. Luckily, I got selected. Then after that, we have 5 days courses there in online. Then we started online course. Then one day is different subject on mine planning basics and QGIS and Google Earth. It was totally changed our mindset, my mindset, and it was totally changed my thought process also. His teaching ways totally different, and he's approaching ways totally as a mining engineer what we need. Definitely he is giving 100% and he's telling 100%. Definitely we need this course and this basics, and along with this basics we can and this mine planning course, and we will learn. Definitely we will achieve in future good positions. And he is teaching ways totally different. Along so many persons are there and we can get so many persons on outside, but in my side his approach ways totally different, and this classes was very excellent. And I'm heartfully congratulations to whole team Mining 360 services and Deepak Gauru sir especially. We listened to so many persons, there we will get course and there you will get course, but I don't say 100%, but this course was very 100%, not 200%. I will say it will be helpful to a lot for me. Now I have more confidence came on this mine field. Before I'm joining, I have fear came what I want to do, how I will learn mine planning course. But Deepak Gauru sir was expressed the teaching ways totally from basic to total end. He explained, and this is very excitement to me, and it was very helpful to me. And whoever want to join in this mining plan, please don't wait and don't waste the time. You can contact as a Mining 360 services in this LinkedIn, and you can approach, and if you interest you can join. It will be helpful to a lot of you. And it was totally Deepak Gauru sir was what we are touching with 1 week, and it was totally our thought process was totally changed. Before we are thinking normally, but when we are after approached the Deepak Gauru sir, our thought process totally changed. And as a mining engineer we need like this persons we need in this mining sector. And thank you Deepak Gauru sir and whole team also, and heartfully congratulations to Deepak Gauru sir.
Hi, I am Sukant Mandal, working as a Deputy Manager Mines in Dalmia Cement. Recently, I have taken a comprehensive training on mine planning mastery from Mining 360. During this course, I have learned how to prepare mine plan, basic command of AutoCAD, Google Earth, QGIS and their application in mines. Also, I have learned about the star rating filling procedure. The course was perfectly designed by our mentor, Mr. Deepak Gaur. After the course, I am able to use this tool to solve the problem which are rising during day-to-day operation. Now, I am very much confident that I can handle my work more efficiently. Nowadays, as we mining engineer involve only mine operation related job, but as the new technology are evolving, we have to upgrade ourselves. And for this, it is a fantastic course. On the other way, mine planning training is a key step toward career advancement. Many mining professionals use this training to transition into planning and management roles. Additionally, these training programs offer certification which is recognized in the industry and can help improve job prospects.